Hello everybody, we're here in the Cloudforest in Ecuador. Here you see down the trail down to this. Look at that double rainbow, that's unique for today. Wow. And here the waterfall, the famous Devil's Cauldron, the Pailon del Diablo. Wow. Look at the amount of water. So you're in the Cloudforest of Baños in Ecuador, so you have to come and do the hike that takes you 40 minutes up to an hour and a half, and the volume of water. You can dance under the water of the Pailon del Diablo. Look at that. Down there is the way down to the Amazon. Look at that. The rivers, the Green River, La Sasa, you go down to the Amazon. One of the tributaries going down to the Amazon.